Hello everybody, welcome to this new video. This is a different kind of video than I normally make. In this video I'm pretty much going to be doing a coding tutorial in C#, and in this is where I'm going to be showing you guys how to render HTML5 and pretty much how to render and or use most modern websites within your C# Forms application. This is not only limited to just websites. You can also create your own HTML files, you can create your own websites and then directly link those files with your code and render them in your form. And you can even let those websites communicate with your C# code. In this video I'm not going to be showing you that. You can actually do a lot more than I'm showing you in this tutorial. If it turns out you guys like this kind of content, I will try to make more tutorial videos. Also feel free to ask any questions down in the comments as well. Alright, so as you can see on the screen right now, I've set up a default web browser, and you can actually see that there's a lot of script errors and a few things are not even working, and a lot of sites will show errors, will not work properly, or won't work at all. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is just creating a new C# Forms application, and the first thing you have to do after you've created it is head over to Project, go to your NuGet packages, search for CefSharp and install CefSharp.winforms. Once it opens up the readme, that means it has been successfully installed. Right, so after it's been installed and you try to run your application, it will give you an error. To fix this error, you need to change the CPU platform to the x64 or x86. After you've done that, head over to the code of your form and import the libraries CefSharp and CefSharp.winforms. After you've imported the libraries, we'll need to create a function that actually initializes the new web browser. For the lazy people out there, I'll leave the code of the function that I'm typing right now down in the description. Here we are creating the actual browser, and we're also providing the URL that the browser has to load. This URL can also be a local file instead of a hosted website. For this tutorial video, we are going to fill the background of this form with the result that the browser has loaded. However, keep in mind that you can choose a specific location for this, for example in the panel. Right, so now that our function is done, all we have to do is call this function, and I'm calling it right after the initialize component function. And if you launch your application right now, you will see that the website you entered is loading in without any script or visual errors. So if you've ever used the free version of Sleek before, you probably recognize this background you're seeing right now. It's a Particle Yes background, and the free version of Sleek is using CefSharp to load in this background. And that is pretty much this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this helped you. If you have any more questions, leave them down in the comments, and I hope to see you in the next video.